Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically save outfits on Catalog Avatar. So for instance, you've created your outfit and you want to save it, go to the saved outfit section on the right here and then press the plus button. Name your outfit. You can even put it in a folder and press save. And then to put on the outfits that you've saved, you're just going to select the outfit that you have saved and press wear, and it will change to it. Oh, my friend's here, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.